This is an electric embossing machine. Today, we will introduce how to use it. When you receive the machine, check the outside of the machine if any damage. Check this power switch and the buttons are normal. Collect the computer. Computer connect with the machine. The machine cabinet connect with the machine.
加上220伏的，110、220都可通用的。
It's suitable to use 220 voltage and 110 voltage.
这连接机器。
Collect the toggle of the machine and turn on the computer. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the software. Turn the switch to test. In this way, it can test the hardware. Press test. Test the guide rail of x-axis and y-axis. If everything is ready, turn the switch to run. Before working, hard test through the software. Now set the parameter. All the parameters have been set well before shipment. Only needed to modify the width and height of the place. Hit test. Modify. Input the content. Here can input negative numbers. The numbers will become less spaced. When input positive numbers, the space become more spaced. Standard is 0. Before working, collect water or start to test the hardware.
停止。
Click Stop to stop the test. Take measure of the plate, the width and the height. Input the width and input the height of your plate. Put the plate lead to in the middle of the fixture. Can turn on this button